So I'm going to do something a bit ironic today. So I'm going to make a light because it's dark and I'm filming really late. So, oh well, here we go. Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a light. And that's a light from Polymer Clay that will shine brightly when it's dark outside, like it is now. And it's also going to glow in the dark. So here we go. Right, so this is what we're starting with. So firstly, this is FIMO Effect, and it is number 81, metallic silver. And this one here is also FIMO Effect, and this is glow in the dark, and it's number 4. So the bits and bobs that I've got here, as I always do, I like to go through this. So this is Ice Blast. It's really pretty glitter. It's got some fine particles in it and larger particles, and I want to give the moon a real shimmer, so I'm going to use some of this to highlight. Then I've got glow in the dark hex mix, and this is also by Smileys glitter store, so I'm finally going to get the chance to use my glow in the dark glitter, which I cannot wait to see what this looks like. So of course the glow in the dark glitter is going to go on the glow in the dark clay. Then I've got a cutter here. This is for these stars, obviously, and I'm going to cut out these in the glow in the dark and pop them on the moon. So I've got my some of my usual tools. I've got 2 dotting tools, and then I've got my FIMO Professional tool. This is I've got a little drill piece at the end, and I'll need to hang this up, so I'm going to be drilling a hole in the top with this, and this part's handy for the glitter. Lastly, because this is a flat project, I do have a tissue blade, and there isn't many things that I've found that can substitute a tissue blade, so I always recommend these for sure if you're doing flat projects. So I'm going to make a start. Forgot to mention, you are going to need some fairy lights. Now, I got these from a local shop in town. I've had these for a while, and these are absolutely brilliant. It's 3 batteries, and then they sparkle like this. Now, I have taken this out of the packet. It is a bit tangled, but because this is wire, you can bend them around and you can get them in the right place that you want to at the back. So this is going to work perfectly. And this was about £2.50. So really simple and quite effective, I think. So here we go.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. Like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I had a lot of fun with this. It was really easy to make. It's just getting the shape right. Now, as you can see, it sticks out a little bit too much here for a moon shape, but you know what? I really like it like that. So that's how it's going to be. So, and then I cut out the little stars here, and then I filled this with liquid clay, as you saw, and then covered it in glitter, which glows in the dark, and the same as the one up here. So the glow in the dark little stars are also on the outside. So when the light goes on, like it is going to now, it will charge up the liquid clay and the glow in the dark FIMO as well, and then at night when you turn the light off, it will glow. So this is how you create a moon shape light with glow in the dark clay from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So it's really late here because I didn't have time to film, so I'm a real Wally. Wally. No, I don't like that word. I don't like Wally. Fluff. Thank you. Stupid hair. And all these little stars as I night. Cuckoo.